Hey, it's Kayla, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing another Halloween clown makeup look. So, I have my eyebrow glue down, I have no base makeup on just yet, I have honey color contacts in, I have one white, one black, and then I have a sketch, so we're going to go off of this one a little bit today. I just kind of popped in, don't judge it, I have not sketched in a while, so I'm going to do my base makeup really quick and I'll be right back. So now I have an idea, so I roughly colored it in. I should have used eyeshadow. It looks so bad now. So maybe don't focus on this too much. But I want to do these lines going down. I should have done that before if I was going to sketch it out. But so my camera wasn't recording. Anyway, I think I'm going to fix this. So I did this, but I don't think it looks right. And so I'm going to go in with Wet n Wild's Fantasy Maker palette, and I'm going to do the orange, I think. So I'm going to go in and I'm going to take my detail brush, and we're going to go in and do the upper. I know this is not like a crazy design, but I just always like to do like clown makeup looks. Sorry. I also might try, there's a transition that everybody's doing for Parasite. I think I might do that. This is like a neon orange, and I feel like it's really not showing up neon orange. Hold on. Okay, well, I think I'm having issues, but it is neon orange a little bit, so you'll have to check out my reel to see that. But we're just gonna start by filling this in, and I'll get it out of my hair then. Taking it right up to the line of my eyebrow. I'm going to take the back of this, and I'm just going to do like a little dot of orange. I almost said purple. It's so not neon. It is neon, I promise you. I'm going to just like take my phone right now. So this is me right here. I have the front camera. It's like a neon orange. You can see. I don't know why it looks like that in the video, but that's what it looks like right now. I'm gonna go for this X. Kinda wish I had a bigger brush, but we're just gonna, I'm gonna do a rough outline here, and then we're just gonna like go in and really, I just don't want to accidentally like bring up my eyebrow, because it was not staying down very well in the beginning. Sure. I think I might go over it with white then. I think my problem is I'm looking at it when it's not my eye closed, and I think that's why it looks off to me. I'm going to do the dot on my nose. I'm going to take the back of this brush here, and we are just going to, it's like roughly going to use it to help me. Shape it, and then I'm going to go in with this brush here, the like smaller detail brush. I'm just really going to paint. I really don't know how to fix the color thing on this. I'm not sure what the issue is because it is like neon orange. This is not neon orange. So if anybody has any tips, please let me know. Okay, so this is I think what we're gonna work with. So I want to add these like, we're not doing the lines down, I changed my mind. So I want to do, I'm thinking like orange line here. Back in with the detail brush. I'm gonna do and then I'm just gonna do some little lines like this. I'm gonna probably go in and outline everything with black then, but I just want to like get the base down. I want to do a big like one on my neck here. And now I'm gonna go in with the other Fantasy Makers palette, and I'm gonna take the black shade. Sorry, tonight just feels like a very weird kind of filming night. So I'm gonna go in with the black here, and we are gonna just outline everything that I just did. Me and circles just do not agree, so I'm kind of nervous to do this one. I really want to do that transition though, where you like do the eyes, and then the mouth, and then you go back for Parasite. So I'm gonna do that with this one, but I also might be doing another stitched face one if I have time. So I really want to do that again with that one. We'll see how it goes. I really wanted to do something neat on this side, but I was having trouble gluing the brow down, and then I just couldn't think of anything that I wanted to do. We gotta outline this little stitch thing. This might look bad, I can't really tell. Now I want to do these quick. I want to do liner. Not really doing my waterline, but I'm just like doing a line underneath that kind of looks bad. I'm hoping that it pulls together here. So we're gonna do one triangle like this. I want to do one orange one in between, so it's gonna take a second here. I just want to switch back to the orange really quick. This might not be what I wanted. I don't know when I stopped recording, I'm sorry. I just did the orange and the black here. I think you were here for most of that. So I'm going back in with the black now. And I'm just gonna draw this one. This was not in the drawing, but I really like how this turned out. So I'm gonna go back in now, like in my... So if you see my other video here, where I did the like pinkish clown with the teeth, I did like a similar thing where I'm gonna outline these colored ones now with the black. I think I like that. I don't know if I like this thing right here. Let's see. Maybe I'll just remove this then. I'm not feeling it anymore. And then I think this is just gonna come off. I'm gonna do something else up here. I'm gonna go in quick while I still have the black paint out. And I'm gonna fill in my eyebrow black. Still have to figure out what I want to do for Halloween next week at work. I might just like duplicate. Honestly, maybe I should just put my eye back. I think I might do that. Hold on, I gotta think now. Okay, so now I'm gonna do the mouth next. I'm gonna do orange, and then we're gonna outline it in white, and then we're gonna outline it in black. I'm realizing I didn't use any other white in this look. So I'm gonna take the same stuff again. Do as I say, not as I do. These paints are not for use around eye or lip. I'm not sure what they're really for, then I guess it's like just face painting. So be very careful as you use these. Oops. So yeah, maybe don't use this around your eyes. I'm gonna go in though because I'm gonna take this off in the next like hour. So I'm gonna just keep using the same stuff. I'm gonna take Wet n Wild's Fantasy Maker palette. Don't use it because it says not to. So don't do what I'm doing. But I think Snazaroo's paints. I think they're water. Or they're safe. I'm not quite sure. I always forget. I never knew that they weren't safe. And I just recently like started actually checking the labels and they're not safe. Like a lot of them are not safe. I prefer to do it off camera lately. It just is easier for me to like get on the mirror to look at it. I did like the base, the orange, and now I'm gonna go in with the white, same one from Wet n Wild's Fantasy Maker palette. But you're not supposed to use that one, so I forgot. I can't think of any off the top of my head. Okay, so I fixed the nose dot, I added paint to my jewelry, removed my septum, and this is the mouth actually, I lied. So we're not going to do any extra outlining, I kind of like how this looks. I'm still going to go with Jeffree Star's Jawbreaker palette, and I'm going to just do some eyeshadow. Nothing crazy, I think I'm going to take Cone, and like just do like a little bit in my crease, and then I'm going to go over with orange juice as like a shimmer. So I don't know if you're actually going to see this. Maybe I'll mix Cone with the Suck one from earlier that I thought didn't look orange. This isn't going to be like super clean like. We're going to do something like that. And then I'm going to take orange juice and I'm just going to go over like that. I can't think of anything else I really want to do for my eyes. And I'm just going to repeat that on the other side. I think I'm just going to go in. I was going to take some orange and just like do my makeup kind of like I did with the last clown. I mean, I could do like an orange blush type of situation. So I'm going to take my highlight brush, I believe it is, Yes, from e.l.f. And we're gonna go in with the orange juice shade, the shiny one I just put on. And I'm just gonna try to use it somehow here. Kind of like a blush bronzer. There might be purple mixed in with this still. Or I might have just like caught it on the brush, so we'll see. Let me go get my lashes, and then we're gonna see this should pull all together. So I was gonna add Ioni lashes, but they were too small. They're like newer ones. I'm gonna try them with more of a simple glam look. I think these ones are Profusion Flutter lashes. I'm not really sure, but I think that's pretty much it. Low-key wish I had orange hair for this, because I think it would look a lot better. But, okay, well that's the final look. I'm pretty happy with how it turned out. I really held back holding... I wanted to put the teeth in. I really held back. I didn't put the teeth in. We're not going to put the teeth in on this one. But yeah. Let me know what you think. Don't forget to like and subscribe down below for more Halloween content from me this spooky season. I'm doing more makeup, baking, and gaming videos all month. If you haven't seen my previous videos, check out my playlist above. Keep an eye out because I have a couple more videos. We're at the home stretch here. Let me know what you think, and thanks for watching.